Hey everyone, I hope you all had a decent spring break despite everything that's going on. I've been working with the department to come up with a good way to take these classes online. So this particular class is a little bit of a challenge just because it relies heavily on a computer and access to the internet, which can make it difficult for those of you that live in places with minimal internet connection. So I personally grew up on a farm in central PA without internet, so if this had happened to me while I was in school, I would have had a lot of issues as well. So I get that it's a pain. That being said, our plan going forward is to use software called Microsoft Teams. Teams has been around for a few years and is used in a lot of professional settings, so you all have access to it since W&J uses Microsoft Office now. You can chat with each other on it, you can chat with me, post in established channels. We have a number of them up already, and I think you can even video conference with it, but I haven't tried it. So a lot of employers in the tech field could ask you if you have experience working in asynchronous team settings, and after this class you can say yes, and you should be able to talk honestly about the challenges of it. So that's a benefit that you'll get out of this. I sent a message in Teams yesterday describing the updated structure of the class, so I'll go over that again. The goal is to keep it as similar as possible to avoid any kind of significant disruptions to what we're trying to do. So instead of everyone attending a lecture on Tuesdays and Thursdays, you're welcome to start on the content as soon as it's posted, and I'll be online on Teams during class time to answer any questions. So I'll make a new channel for each lecture, and you guys can just like you were in class, just post stuff in there if you have questions. And also the PAL tutors will be online and answering emails as well. So homework is going to be the same kind of thing we've been doing, so just the major change is that at the end of the week, email me, zip up all of your in-class exercises, your homeworks and everything, and email them to me, so try to have them properly labeled so I know what everything is. So I won't really be reviewing them for correctness, I'll be looking at them for participation and just to make sure that everyone's kind of adjusting to the new way we're doing things. And if everyone is getting kind of the same sections wrong, I can review that in class again. We technically have a test scheduled for next week. At this point, I'm planning on pushing that back or changing it just because it would be a little difficult to administer now because it is meant to be more of a coding test. So TBD on that one. But in general, thanks to everyone for being open to all of this. I know it sucks for some of you seniors and that everyone has a lot going on that isn't this class, but I appreciate all of your hard work and I hope that you still get a lot out of these lectures. So more to come.